How to contact HelloFresh customer service online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact HelloFresh customer service quickly using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the menu icon and select help or support from there. And after that, you can simply pick up the options like live chat, email, or call support. And after that, you simply have to type your questions or problems. And after that, you simply have to submit your request. And with that, HelloFresh customer service will reach out to assist you. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.